APCS is an integrated control and management software developed by Appotronics for its projectors. In this video, we'll use a PC to walk you through the software's download, installation, and basic functions. You can download the APC's installation package from our official website. Once the software is downloaded and opened, the main interface will appear with 4 core sections: device and group creation area, functions area, tool navigation area, and device statistics area. Before setup, ensure the network cable is connected. Press menu on the remote. Go to network settings to find the projector's IP address. Then enter the same IP. When creating a new projector in the product list, once your projector is ready, control power and shutter via the Control tab in the Functions area. Status shows real-time device info like IP and network status. You can also click View for more details. Additionally, the configuration feature lets you import and export your original projector system settings to another unit. No need for manual reconfiguration.